Today we are taking two natural, powerful oil infusions. We're taking Comfrey and Frankincense, and we're going to turn it into a pain relief balm and an anti-aging oil. I'll show you both. We're going to start with the anti-aging oil, and then we'll go into the pain relief balm.
Why would I choose these two oils? Each of these oils on their own have amazing anti-aging benefits, as well as pain relieving and healing benefits. We'll look at those pain relief benefits in a minute, but first, the anti-aging benefits, like these. They reduce fine lines and wrinkles, protect from UV damage, improve skin tone, reduce redness, deep hydration, collagen production. Together, these two are an anti-aging powerhouse. I've known firsthand that both of these oils individually help so much with my joint pain, and here's why. Both of these oils do one of two things. They reduce inflammation and swelling in your joints and your skin. It decreases pain and stiffness. They speed healing. It's targeted relief through direct skin absorption, and together they heal and give pain relief. So easy to make, and I'm going to show you how to make both of them.
Future me here, I had some technical difficulties. The technical difficulties. The oils we're using today. One is a frankincense infused oil. I made that video and it's right here, and it is different from essential oil. It's an oil where we infuse the resin, the frankincense resin, into an oil. It has different and stronger benefits. Then the other oil is a Comfrey infused oil. I have a video on that as well, where we infused this oil. In both of those videos, I show exactly how to infuse the oil. It's so easy. My Comfrey oil is a long infusion, and that takes about 4 to 6 weeks. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do the quick infusion so you don't have to wait 4 to 6 weeks, because I know you're going to want to make that anti-aging oil and the pain relief oil. So I'll show you how to do that. For the quick infusion, we are going to need some Comfrey. Like I said, this is some I grew and dried from my yard. There will also be a link in the description so you can purchase you some quick, and you will need an oil to infuse it in. I like to infuse in the jojoba oil. I mentioned that a lot in the frankincense video. I don't like to use avocado oil or olive oil, coconut oil, any of those on my face. For the pain relief balm that you're going to use on your body, you can absolutely use a less expensive oil. A really good avocado oil or a really good olive oil. I recommend a jojoba, sweet almond oil, and argan oil if you're going to use that on your face. I don't have much left, so today I'm going to use an avocado oil. You'll need a small mason jar. You're also going to need some sort of double boiler. I'm using this little melting pot. You can use a crock pot. You can use your Instapot on the warm or yogurt setting to infuse our Comfrey oil. We have a small mason jar. You can make this in larger quantities, but I recommend just what you need today. We're going to need a total of 1/3 cup plus a little more for your anti-aging oil. So we are going to take our dried Comfrey. This is Comfrey that I grew and dried. Super easy to grow, but I will link where you can purchase some. So we get that packed in. We want that. It's not packed super hard. It's just kind of loosely packed, and you want it about 3/4 full. This is the jojoba oil that I use, but I didn't have a whole lot of it, so we're going to use an avocado oil. An avocado oil is perfectly fine, and olive oil. So then we're going to cover the plant matter with the oil. Now in this recipe, we just need 1/3 cup for the pain relief salve, and we need just a little bit to fill one of the little jars for your face serum. But remember, avocado oil, not for the face. The plant matter's completely covered. Then we're going to place it in the warm water. We're just going to let this sit in a nice warm bath for anywhere from 18 to 24 hours. The heat is going to gently pull out the qualities of the plant matter of the Comfrey. It just speeds up that process. I do prefer the slow method, that's where you do the same thing, but you put it in a dark place covered for 4 to 6 weeks, and you just let it slowly infuse into that oil. I go over that in the video, but this will do in a pinch. Now I'm using this little double boiler here, but many of you will probably be using a crock pot. Add your water. I like to put a piece of 100% cotton cloth at the bottom so that the glass jar isn't sitting right on the heat source. Set it on low. Let it gently simmer anywhere from 18-24 hours, whatever you prefer. I just place a mason jar lid on top. Keep all the goodies in and the water out, and you don't have to put the lid on the crock pot. Just check on it every now and then. Now it's time to strain our infused oil, and all you need is a clean jar, a stainless steel funnel, a metal mesh sieve, and some organic cheesecloth. I'm straining out my long infused oil today, and I'm using this stainless steel sieve. It's not necessary, but I absolutely love it. I'll link it in the description. You just pour your oil right into the sieve. It lets the infused oil flow right through, keeping out the plant material. And you can press out some of the excess oil and then just let it sit for a bit and let all that goodness strain through. If you have any left over that you're not using, just put a lid on it and store it in a cool, dark place. And now you can really see the difference between the long infused and the quick infused method. It's a pretty drastic difference, but it'll do in a pinch. Let's go ahead and make our anti-aging oil. I have the frankincense infused oil. I have a nice little bottle that I like to put it in, and we're going to use the Comfrey oil. I have this nice little funnel. I'll try to link these things below, but I'm going to fill this about halfway. Like I said, we're doing a 50-50. Let's see. And that's a little more Comfrey. And the frankincense can settle a little, so shake it up. So can the Comfrey. And then we're just going to add the rest frankincense. Then we're going to give it a good shake and get everything mixed up real well. And there you can see the difference in this, the frankincense infused oil and the combination. So easy, and I'm looking forward to using this. I'll incorporate this oil into my skincare routine. After I do my rose water and glycerin spray, I'll use this oil, and then I'll follow up depending on night or day with my castor oil. And if you use a tallow balm, this is where you would use that as well. If you're new here, my name's Loanna. I'm a licensed esthetician, and I have a video where I go over my whole natural skincare routine. I'll link that video in the description along with everything you'll need to make both of these. Let's make that pain balm. We're gonna need the Comfrey oil, castor oil, frankincense oil, and beeswax. This is a real pain in the behind. And that's a pain to clean too. I'm buying pellets. Well, I probably won't. I'll probably use this until it's all gone because that's how I am. 4 good tablespoons of the beeswax. I'm using the 3 oils, so I'm going to use a total of 1 cup. So I'm going to use 1/3 cup of each oil to a total of 1 cup. There's my 1/3. So we're going to do 1/3 castor oil for deep penetration. 1/3 of the frankincense oil. Looks like pure gold. Look at that. Beautiful dark green. And 1/3 cup cup of the comfrey oil. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Perfectly fine to take your time doing this oil. I would rather it take longer to dissolve the beeswax than to heat the oils at higher temperatures. So just keep it low and be patient and quit stirring it low, Anna. Make sure the jar is dry so we don't drip any water in my cute little jar. Isn't this so cute? I love this thing. So everything's dissolved. Isn't that pretty? We'll let these set up. So that 1 cup of oil did 2 of these little jars. Gorgeous. And infusing those oils yourself, so easy. Many people feel they get fast relief just using these individually on their own, but the 2 of them together are a powerhouse. I find that your best results are going to be using this on a regular basis. And with the addition of the castor oil, that's going to help it to penetrate deep and do some healing long term. It's going to soothe over time. You're going to support actual recovery. This isn't going to give you that quick fix feeling like you would with something with cayenne or some menthol in it. And I personally steer away from those. I inevitably end up touching my eyes, and nobody wants cayenne or menthol in their eyes. I know somebody's going to comment that Comfrey is not recommended to be used long term. I am not a doctor. I'm not an herbalist. This is what I feel comfortable doing, and I absolutely feel comfortable doing that for me and my family. Use your own judgment and your noggin. I will link a video from an herbalist that I highly respect. He goes into detail about that. It's not a real long video, so if you have any concerns about this at all, go check out that video so you can make an informed decision for yourself. And then go ahead and get you a long infusion going. I show that in that Comfrey video. And in 4 to 6 weeks, you will have a really good, strong batch of Comfrey to go ahead and make you another batch, because I know you're gonna want to. Now, wasn't that easy? And infusing the oils is just as easy. The frankincense video right here will show you exactly how to get that oil, and the Comfrey video right here will show you exactly how to get that oil. I thank you so much for hanging out with me. My name's Loanna, and this is a Little Bit of Homestead.